most of the private players have been there in the industry now for almost 5-6 years and beyond. Like IFFCO Tokio also is there for almost 15 years now. So, already there is a business profile for these companies. So, profitability with growth is the mantra as of now, because initially whatever the growth was there, that was without profitability, the margins were very less. Now, with the stakes high, the investors putting so much of money in the major private players and companies, 10 years down the line everyone expected results. Life, it would take some more time, but general companies have started showing profits, like Bajaj is giving profits, IFFCO Tokio is giving profits, and ICICI Lombard also is giving some profits. On the contrary, if you see the PSUs, they are purely on the investment profits. There is no profitability on the underwriting aspects. In fact, see, the main crux is how you manage your underwriting results, the strategies that you use for marketing the various product lines that you have within your ambit of business. Out of all these 27, 28 odd companies that have come, with the R3 coming to Edelweiss also now. So, the profitability which is being generated by the companies is only limited to the big 5 or 6 companies. The rest are still in the mode where they do not have the volumes, they do not have the profits, and the underwriting results are also bad, because any new entrant does not have a market to search for. They have to fight within the same pie of the insurance segment that is available to them. Almost 18,000 crores of new business has been pumped in this financial year, and that is how the insurance industry has crossed the 1 lakh barrier. And this only has come only because of the Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi's initiative that the farmers should get certain benefits out of whatever the crops they are insuring, and there would be a government support, a government focus, the involvement of all the state governments in this Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, and that was how this 18,000 crores of new business was generated. Over a period of say by another 2-3 years, we will see this growth of the farmers Bima Yojana to maybe around 30-35,000 crores. So, every company, private as well as the GIC, has garnered good premium out of the Kisan Yojanas, and IFFCO Tokio also has benefited out of this. We underwrite almost 1,600 crores of additional new revenue business through the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. And fortunately, the monsoon, the crop losses were less. Most of the companies have generated good profits this financial year. See, a 10 to 15% growth is always envisaged, because you would be adding on to the existing volumes of the farmers. Initially, there were a lot of reluctance on the part of the farmers also, because they did not know exactly what the coverages would be, or whether the claims actually would be paid, what would be the companies, the various companies who are participating, what would be their ideology of settlement of the claims. Many claims have been settled, and settlements have been quite transparent. New techniques and technologies have been used in assessment of the crop cutting experiments, the loss analysis, and justified payment of the claims. With the participation of the state government, the accountability of the government's companies and agencies are almost there. SkyMet, the agency which is doing the weather-based analysis and all, their accountability is there. Insurance companies are using new technologies, like the drone technology has been taken over in this crop cutting experiments, which gives you a complete holistic picture of the losses in the crop that are envisaged, how the actuarials can be combined together to give you the financial constraints and the claims that are going to be there. With this Twitter and WhatsApp and all this media related activities now going in strongly, the cases related to legal activities, that is, if you give a statement and it is actually being constituted in a different way by the media, and it actually hits you professionally if you are a professional. So, you need adequate protection against such legal cases coming across. So, this is a new opportunity that has come for the insurance industry, where we can explore this eventuality of a person being a professional being put against for a case, a legal case going against him, and the related legal costs coming on him. So, all this becomes an opportunity for a new insurance segment to crop up within this digitalization. Plus, the requirement of the normal person, a person on the street, he requires an instant policy. So, the digital media has given him the option that the online policy generation, the POS model, that is the point of sale model, where at the click of a button he can have this policy. Also on the mobile applications that have come, where on the mobile he can scour the web, find out about the policies, the coverages, the premium aspects, make a comparison on the premium, and identify for himself a suitable product which will actually fit his requirements. Already the insurance premium, which is the main requirement for any insurance company to offer a product, is now being channelized through all the banking medias. You can pay online through credit card, through Paytm, through any mode of payment, and the insurance companies have tuned themselves to accept the premium through any of these modes. A NEFT transfer through banking transactions, IMPS mode, all these modes are now open for insurance premium acceptance. So, this makes the compliance of the 64VB, which is one of the most foremost principle of insurance, that the premium should be there before the commencement of the risk, is very much in thing now. And with the digital space giving them the required support, immediate the payment being hitting the insurance company's banking portal, the payments are there and the insurance policy can be issued simultaneously.